Hello children, today let us learn how to write a description. I am going to tell you how to write a description from the lesson The Selfish Giant from Unit 3 Part A. The pattern to be followed in order to write a description. Firstly, imagine yourself to be the person who is describing, and then express all the possible feelings that the person would have at that particular moment. We need to be focused on the incident which has been mentioned in the question. On to the question here. You have read the lesson, The Selfish Giant. In this lesson, you read about the garden. Imagine that you are one among the children who visited the garden. Now describe the garden in your own words. Now look children, previously also I have explained you a description wherein you are asked to describe any garden that you had visited in your own words. So you need to read the question very carefully and you need to read it twice or thrice before answering. Do not just jump into a conclusion and start writing the answer. Generally, we have ample of time to write the examination. So, do not jump into a conclusion in a hurry. Read the question twice or thrice. Here, the question is now describe the garden. The garden in the sense the garden which is mentioned in the previous line. So, that garden is nothing but the garden of the selfish giant. You can use the following: location, facilities, things to play with, types of trees and plants, neatness and maintenance, thing which you liked very much there. So you need to go in these terms. You need to tell where it is located, and you are one among the children who play in the garden. So you need to have a thorough knowledge of the lesson, whether when the children play in the garden, where is the garden located, and what all they play, which all trees are mentioned in the lesson. All these we need to have at least a general idea. For that we need to go through the lesson very keenly. On to the description here. I like the garden of the giant very much. Now you are one among the children and now you need to express your feelings in terms of the mentioned hints over there. I like the garden of the giant very much. The garden is located on our way to the school. So this is the location of the garden. When we come back from school, we go to the garden and play every day. The garden is very spacious and cushioned with the green grass. Cushioned means it's so soft like a cushion. Even if we fall while playing, we don't get hurt. This term is given because when they are not allowed to play in the garden, children speak of how they get hurt when they fall on the road. So naturally children when they go into the garden, generally when they play, they generally fall down. So here we have included this line. Even if we fall while playing, we don't get hurt. The stems and the branches of the trees are so reachable that it is quite easy and adventurous to climb them. So we see in the part 2 that all the children climb the trees except the small boy. So it gives us a hint that the trees are such reachable that children can climb them easily. Then, when we sit on the branches, they sway to and fro and make us have a swing-like experience. So, this is a general phenomena which happens when we sit on the branches of the trees. It swings to and fro and it's a very pleasant experience. We love rolling on the soft grass over there. The pink and pearl blossoms of the peach trees during the springtime and the rich fruits are a real feast to our eyes. So here we are mentioning the flowers and the fruits of the peach trees which are mentioned in the lesson. The gentle breeze in the garden is one of the rarest treasures one can ever find. When we sit in the garden, we forget all our worries and we just relax for a while. So why I am using here we? Because no child goes singly into the garden. All the children go with their friends. So here everywhere we are mentioning we. After playing, we pick up all the leaves that the trees had shed and keep it neat and tidy for the next day to play. So this line has been included to show the maintenance, how the garden is maintained, whether it is maintained neat and tidily, or is there any other thing happening. So in order to tell about the maintenance, we say that we are picking the leaves to make it neat and tidy. I like the flowers peeping out of the green grass very much. So this is to tell about the thing which we like the most in the garden. Okay, I feel as if they are greeting me and welcoming me. So those flowers peeping out of the grass are like a welcome carpet for the child. So this way you need to imagine yourself to be in the giant's garden and you need to describe. Hope you all understood how to write the description. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a merry day.